take a deep breath and allow your body to settle. Feel the weight of your shoulders melt away as you begin this healing journey. With each breath, imagine warm, golden light flowing through your body, seeking out places of pain and discomfort. Allow these words to wash over you like gentle waves, cleansing and restoring your spirit. I release all that no longer serves me. My body knows how to heal itself. I am patient with my healing process. Each day I grow stronger than before. My pain does not define who I am. I listen to what my body needs. Healing energy flows through me with each breath. I forgive myself for what I couldn't control. My wounds are transforming into wisdom. I honor my journey, including the difficult parts. My body is restoring itself to balance. I deserve to feel whole again. Each cell in my body vibrates with healing energy. I am stronger than any pain I've experienced. My healing journey unfolds exactly as it should. I am becoming more whole with each passing day. I trust in my body's innate healing wisdom. I am gentle with my tender places. Healing comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I create space for recovery in my life. My scars tell a story of survival and strength. I breathe in vitality and breathe out discomfort. My healing affects those around me in positive ways. I am worthy of complete healing. My body responds to my loving thoughts. I release the need to know when healing will come. Every moment offers a fresh start. I am exactly where I need to be on my healing path. My vulnerability is my strength. I am reclaiming parts of myself I thought were lost. My nervous system is calming and regulating. I notice small improvements each day. Rest is a vital part of my healing. I am reconnecting with joy as I heal. My past pain has prepared me for present growth. I create boundaries that support my healing. My body hears my positive affirmations. I am becoming more resilient through this process. I release the timeline I've set for my healing. Each breath brings me closer to wholeness. I honor the messages my body sends me. Healing flows to me without resistance. I am learning what true self-care means for me. I replace worry with trust in my healing journey. My inner wisdom guides my recovery. I accept support from others when I need it. I am grateful for my body's efforts to heal. I release comparison with others' healing journeys. My healing is not linear, and that's okay. I find strength in slowing down. My body and mind are unified in healing. I choose thoughts that encourage my recovery. I am becoming more attuned to my needs. Every cell in my body is responding to healing energy. I acknowledge my progress, no matter how small. Healing is happening even when I can't see it. I am patient with the ebbs and flows of recovery. My body remembers how to be well. I am worthy of feeling good in my body. My healing creates ripples of positive change. I am learning to live fully in this present moment. I trust the timing of my healing journey. My pain has been my teacher, not my enemy. I am becoming the healed version of myself day by day. I welcome the return of my vitality. My healing is a sacred personal journey. I transform limitation into possibility. I am gentle with myself during difficult moments. I recognize healing as a form of self-love. I am writing a new story of wellness. Feel the healing energy circulating through your entire being. Notice how your body feels different now, perhaps lighter, more open, or more at peace. Carry this healing intention with you throughout your day. Remember that healing happens in its own time, in its own way. You are doing everything right. You are exactly where you need to be, and you are never alone on this